Will ChatGPT replace Google? Exploring the future of search engines. Introduction. In the digital age, search engines have become an integral part of our lives. Google, with its powerful algorithms and vast index of web pages, has long been the dominant player in the search engine market. However, with the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, and natural language processing, NLP, new technologies such as ChatGPT have emerged, raising the question, will ChatGPT replace Google? In this article, we will delve into the capabilities and limitations of ChatGPT and analyze its potential to challenge the supremacy of Google in the realm of search engines. Understanding Google's dominance. Google's success can be attributed to its ability to deliver highly relevant search results quickly and efficiently. Through complex algorithms, it analyzes the content, structure, and popularity of web pages to rank them according to their relevance to a user's query. Google's search engine also incorporates various features like personalized search results, local search, and rich snippets, providing users with a comprehensive search experience. The rise of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI language model that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like responses to user queries. It has been trained on a vast corpus of text data, allowing it to understand and generate coherent responses in natural language. Unlike Google's keyword-based search, ChatGPT focuses on conversational interactions, making it more akin to a virtual assistant than a traditional search engine. Capabilities of ChatGPT. ChatGPT possesses several notable capabilities that set it apart from Google's search engine. 1. Conversational understanding. ChatGPT excels at understanding and generating human-like responses in a conversational context. It can engage in meaningful interactions, ask clarifying questions, and provide detailed responses to complex queries. 2. Contextual awareness. Unlike Google, which primarily relies on isolated keyword queries, ChatGPT can retain context from previous interactions. This enables it to provide more personalized and contextually relevant responses, fostering a more natural and interactive user experience. 3. Accessibility. ChatGPT offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to interact with the AI model directly. It eliminates the need to type queries into a search bar, making it accessible to a broader audience, including individuals with limited technological literacy. Limitations of ChatGPT. While ChatGPT shows promise in revolutionizing the way we search for information, it also has some limitations that hinder its ability to replace Google. 1. Lack of web index. Unlike Google, which extensively indexes web pages to provide search results, ChatGPT does not have direct access to the Internet. It relies solely on the information it has been trained on, limiting its scope and ability to provide real-time and up-to-date information. 2. Quality control. ChatGPT's responses are generated based on patterns and information from its training data, which can sometimes result in inaccurate or biased answers. Ensuring the accuracy and reliability of information provided by ChatGPT poses a significant challenge. 3. Information overload. ChatGPT's conversational nature might not be suitable for users seeking quick and concise answers. While it excels in engaging conversations, it might struggle to efficiently provide succinct information, especially for fact-based queries. The future of search engines. Despite its limitations, ChatGPT represents a glimpse into the future of search engines. The technology behind ChatGPT can be integrated into existing search engines like Google, enhancing their conversational capabilities and improving the overall user experience. Google has already begun incorporating AI and NLP technologies into its search engine, with features such as voice search and the Google Assistant. Additionally, the development of hybrid models that combine the strengths of ChatGPT-like conversational agents with traditional search algorithms could offer a more powerful and comprehensive search experience. These hybrid models could leverage the vast web index of search engines like Google while incorporating conversational abilities to provide more personalized and contextually aware responses. Conclusion. While ChatGPT demonstrates remarkable capabilities in conversational interactions and understanding, it is unlikely to replace Google as the dominant search engine in the near future. However, the advancements in AI and NLP technologies, as exemplified by ChatGPT, are reshaping the landscape of search engines. The future of search engines lies in the integration of these technologies, combining the strengths of traditional search algorithms with conversational interfaces to deliver more personalized, contextually relevant, and interactive search experiences. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button if ever you like the video.